Hello! In this video, we will explain how to create your first free trial workspace and start working with Qflow. The process is simple, fast, and does not require credit cards or payment advances. We start by going to the Qflow site, qflowbpm.com, and clicking on Try Now. On this page, we must enter the necessary data to create our user on the registration site. If you already have an account on this site, you can access now, but keep in mind that the free trial is only available to users who have not created workspaces yet. Please enter a username, the email address that you will use for the account, and a password. You must also accept our terms of service, which you can read by clicking on Terms and Conditions. Once the data has been entered, click Next to continue. Now, type a name for your workspace and your organization's name. We recommend that you choose a name for your workspace that represents the organization in which you will use Qflow, since this name will be used as part of the addresses to the sites of the tool. You can also change your workspace language and time zone if you want to use different ones than the default options. Once the data has been completed, click on Confirm. Now, you will receive an email to confirm your account. Open it and click the link to continue with the creation process. You are almost ready to use Qflow. Log into the site with the account that you just created. Once you enter, you might need to wait while your workspace is being created. Congratulations! Your workspace is now ready to be used. Access now and start using the tools. Since this is a new workspace, we only have one active user, the administrator. To access, log in with Google or Microsoft, depending on the email that was used during the registration. Once you have entered, you are ready to use Qflow. From the Access portal, you can open every tool to see our documentation and tutorials. Next, we will take a look at each of the tools and explain what you can do with them. You will find more specific tutorials on our channel and full documentation on our website. Qflow Design is the system's design tool. In it, you can create templates that represent the different flows of your organization, as well as packages that group them by area or operation. For example, a human resources package that contains a vacation request template. We can also create versions of the templates to keep a history of the changes made to the design and to be able to continue using previous versions until the new one is ready to be used. In Qflow Design, you will be able to design your organization's flows through diagrams in BPMN notation, configure the flow's data and necessary information, as well as choose the actors that will participate in it. Once you've finished designing, you should check in the flow and set it as a production version so that the changes you made are published. To make further changes to a flow in the future, it must be checked out again. Once our flow is designed, we can move on to the next tool. Qflow Task is one of the main tools of the system and the one most used by Qflow's final users, since it is where users can start the flows that were designed and interact with them. They can do this through responses to tasks such as holiday requests. Qflow Task also allows its users to create views, charts, indicators, and dashboards. These are elements that facilitate viewing the information about the flow's execution. These elements are customizable, allowing you to select the information your organization needs. Now, let's move on to the next tool. Qflow Team is the tool used to manage the Qflow organizational model. This model is the structure that you define for your company in the workspace, which can be made up of groups, teams, and users. Here, you can create and manage everything related to said model, such as creating Qflow users, granting or restricting them permissions, defining supervisors, calendars, and substitutions, creating work queues with their members, and everything related to people in your organization. For other general system configurations, let's move on to the next tool. Qflow Admin is the administration and monitoring tool for the Qflow system. With it, you will be able to configure settings that affect Qflow as an overall system and monitor the current state of your workspace. On the main screen, you will see indicators of the current use of storage, queue points, and the number of active users in the system. In addition, you can go through the different sections of the menu to see Qflow usage statistics, configure system parameters, notification services, and more. We recommend that Qflow Admin should be used by system administrators or personnel with technical or Qflow system knowledge. In this video, we walked you through creating a free trial workspace in Qflow. You can explore our channel to find more informative videos on the usage of this tool. Thanks for watching.